this happen?
I'm gonna record for you guys. Oh, your remote, Noah. Your remote. Oh wait, I don't know where I'm pointing at.
Okay.
Okay.
So this.
Mm-hmm.
This. Here.
Sorry guys. I can't. I'm really bad at cameras.
I'll put it in the gun today. Whoa! That probably was a cool truck. You know what? Yeah. Yes, I picked the right truck. Like Noah won.
You helped pick it?
Yeah, I picked it for Noah. I knew it Noah would like it.
Isn't yellow also your favorite color, Noah? Or what's your favorite color? I could be wrong.
Noah likes yellow too.
So it is yellow.
Noah likes yellow Spider-Man, right?
I thought it was for tails. This is wait, no.
Oh,
this
Noah
is,
likes Knuckles.
Oh, it was red. That's right.
But Noah likes
It's Knuckles.
yellow too, right? Yeah. Yellow is a genius.
We have 2 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes?
Yeah.
Yes. Recording. See? Oh, wait, am I?
So Noah, you can add it in YouTube, right? Yeah. But you will have a lot of subscribers. Can Noah, this truck we have, that will make you it can flip. It can change color to yellow to black. Yeah.
Try getting it to flip. So you get the other color. There you go.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, there you go. You flipped it.
I flipped it. I flipped.
Yeah, there's Noah's and then there's yours.
How do we need more time?
We have a minute and...
I can have
Oh, never mind. I'm
on
wrong.
it. Well, how many minutes we have?
Less than a minute.
Whoa, how many minutes we have?
Right here. See my phone? It's 35 seconds.
We want one more minute.
1 more minute? Okay.
Yes, now we have one more minute, Noah.
Wait, did they have it? Isaac, did you ask for 5 more minutes?
Okay.
Or,
Yes, it's right
or
there.
earlier?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my bad then. Hold on. Let me.
Well, how many minutes we can have?
Do you want to use your 5 minutes for time outside? Or do you want to save your 5 minutes? We can save them for playing Roblox or for playing with cars again. We still have on our to-do list. Or we can use them at 5 minutes right now.
I want to save it for next car.
The next one? Okay. Then that will be our time, okay? All right, ready, guys?
How about on the car? We have 4 minutes. We take the 5.5 to 5 minutes.
You want one more minute here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And another one for car will be 4 minutes.
4 minutes extra? Okay.
Yeah, like we break the half.
So that will be 14 minutes for the other one. Then let me go ahead and put 1 minute for you guys.
Wait, how many minutes do you have?
Right now, 1 minute.
No, the next one, if we play traffic again.
If we're adding our 4 minutes, then that would be 14 minutes because we're having 10 minutes outside, and then plus 4, which is 14. 10 plus 4.
So we can have 14 minutes?
Yes, because you want to use the 1 minute
No,
for here, right? For right now.
Truck time, you use 14 minutes.
All right, guys, I'm gonna start the timer right now. All right, here you go, Noah. So,
How about a
race? All right.
Can you help?
Yeah. Well, you guys aren't going up the hill, right?
It's so hot.
Yes, we're in the sun. Okay, ready, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, Isaac, you have to start over. We haven't said ready, set, go yet. Okay, let me put him right back. Wait a minute so I can put the... Okay, ready,
I
set.
can't go there, though.
What do you mean?
We gotta go on the hill.
On the hill?
Yeah.
Okay.
It can't work.
Okay, because we have less than a minute. So, I mean, still.
You have 4 minutes?
The 4 minutes for the next, on our to-do list is, for our next, oh wait, Isaac, remember, we can't go up, remember your foot.
But no.
We're gonna be extra safe. Come on, Noah. Let's come down. Ready?
1,
Ready, set,
go. Bruh.
what happened? Did it not work?
Keep pushing.
It's not working? Oh, that's the timer.
Go.
I missed it. Here you go, Noah. All right, guys, that's our timer. Here you go, Noah.
No.
Sorry if I'm not good at
No,
recording.
let's go.